Every single day, people with zero experience, zero followers, and zero startup money are making an extra $500, $1,000, even $3,000 a month, all from their phone. And no, I'm not talking about surveys or watching ads for pennies. I'm talking about real, legitimate income streams that people are quietly using right now in 2026 while everyone else is complaining about bills. In the next 9 minutes, I'm breaking down exactly 5 of them, and I'm telling you upfront which ones pay fastest, which ones build long-term, and which one most people completely sleep on. Here's the truth, nobody tells you about side hustles. Most of the content out there is either outdated, oversaturated, or just flat out doesn't work for beginners. So in this video, I'm only covering hustles that have a low barrier to entry, don't require expensive equipment, and have real people making real money with them right now. I'll also give you the exact platforms to use for each one so you can start today. Not next week, not next month, today. Let's go. Side hustle number 1, selling digital products. This is one of the most powerful income streams available because you create it once and it can sell forever. We're talking budget templates, meal planners, business checklists, workout guides, resume templates, simple documents that solve a specific problem for a specific person. Here's a real example. A woman created a simple monthly budget spreadsheet on Canva. Took her 2 hours. She listed it on Etsy for $7. That one product has made her over $14,000 total. You don't need design skills. Canva is completely free and has drag and drop templates ready to go. The secret? Don't make something generic, get specific. Instead of budget template, make a budget template for single moms or budget tracker for freelancers. Specific sells, listed on Etsy or Gumroad. Both are free to start. You keep 90% of every sell. Income potential, $300 to $3,000 per month once you have a few products up. Side hustle number 2, and this one surprises most people, UGC Content Creation. UGC stands for User-Generated Content. And right now, brands are desperately paying everyday people, not influencers, not people with big followings, just normal people with a smartphone, to create short videos showing them using a product. We're talking $150 to $500 per video. Why? Because consumers trust real people more than polished ads. Brands know this, so they pay regular people to film authentic looking content for their social media and ads. You don't need followers. You don't need a professional setup. You need a phone, decent lighting, honestly a window works fine, and the ability to talk naturally on camera. Where to sign up? Billo, Join Brands, and Trend.io are the top platforms. Create a simple portfolio with 2 or 3 sample videos, even if they're just fake mock ads you made for practice, and start applying to brand deals. Income potential. Even landing 3 to 5 deals a month puts $500 to $1,500 in your pocket. Side hustle number 3, freelance copywriting supercharged with AI. Every business on the planet needs words, emails, product descriptions, social media captions, website copy, and most small business owners either hate writing or don't have time for it. That's where you come in. Now, here's where it gets interesting in 2026. With AI tools like Claude and ChatGPT, you can produce high-quality written content in a fraction of the time it used to take. You're not replacing your brain, you're multiplying your output. A beginner copywriter charging $100 for a 5-email sequence can write that in 2 hours with AI assistance. That's $50 an hour, way more than most entry-level jobs. Start on Fiverr or Upwork. Pick one type of copy, email sequences, product descriptions, or social media captions, and become the go-to person for that one thing. Don't try to do everything. Niche down. Get your first 5 reviews, then raise your rates. Income potential, $500 to $2,500 a month within your first 60 days if you stay consistent. Side hustle number 4, flipping and reselling. This is the oldest hustle in the book, but it still works incredibly well because most people are too lazy to do it. The concept is simple. Buy low, sell high, find undervalued items at thrift stores, garage sales, Facebook Marketplace, or clearance sections, and resell them for a profit on eBay, Depop, Poshmark, or back on Facebook Marketplace. The categories that move the fastest right now are vintage clothing, electronics, sneakers, furniture, and toys. One guy I came across online made $1,200 in his first month just flipping thrifted Nike and Adidas pieces on Depop. He spent maybe $150 buying inventory. The skill you're building here is your eye, knowing what's worth something before other people do. That gets sharper every single week you do it. Start with $50 in one category. Learn it. Then scale. Income potential. $400 to $2,000 a month, depending on how much time and capital you put in. And number 5, this is the one most people sleep on completely. Selling beats and music licenses online. If you already make music, you are literally sitting on passive income and don't even know it. Platforms like BeatStars and Airbit let you upload your beats and sell non-exclusive licenses to artists all over the world while you sleep. A non-exclusive lease typically sells for $30 to $100. An exclusive placement, $300 to $2,000 or more. Some producers with a consistent catalog are pulling $2,000 to $5,000 a month purely in passive beat sales. And here's the beautiful part. Once a beat is uploaded, it can sell an unlimited number of times with no extra work from you. Even if you're not a producer, you can learn basic beat making in 30 days using free software like GarageBand or a low-cost DAW like FL Studio. The market for beats online is massive and growing. Independent artists need music constantly. Income potential, $500 to $5,000 per month with a strong catalog and consistent uploading. So, which one is right for you? Here's how to decide. If you need money fast, this week or this month, and start with reselling or UGC content. Both can put cash in your hand quickly. If you want to build something that pays you long-term with less ongoing work, digital products and beat selling are your best bets. Slow start, but the payoff compounds over time. And if you want the best of both worlds, freelance copywriting gives you active income now while you build your other streams on the side. Pick one, just one. Commit to it for 30 days straight before you even think about switching. The people who fail at side hustles aren't unlucky, they're just impatient. That's the full breakdown. 5 side hustles, real income potential, and exactly where to start. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I put out practical money content every single week and I don't waste your time. Drop a comment below telling me which hustle you're starting. I read every single one and I'll reply. And if you want to go deeper, watch this video next. I break down exactly how to make your first $500 online. Step by step, I'll see you there.